Our brand new XF210 AC/DC is built for premium TIG welds, delivering precision, control, and real flexibility in a compact machine. TIG performance is where this unit really shines. With AC/DC TIG up to 210 amps at a 40% duty cycle, it's ideal for aluminium, producing clean, stable arcs and consistent high-quality welds every single time. For fast setup, AutoSet with Synergic plate thickness control guides you from material selection through to choosing your joint type, making it easy to start welding straight away. And for those who want full control, the manual mode lets you fine-tune and run the machine exactly the way that you want. When it comes to arc tuning, the XF210 gives you 11 selectable AC waveforms, allowing you to fine-tune arc shape, cleaning action, and penetration to suit everything from cosmetic aluminium work to heavier fabrication jobs. With high frequency start, you get instant arc ignition without touching down. This helps preserve the lifespan of your tungsten while keeping every weld clean and contamination free. And with stick pulse, you'll achieve cleaner welds, better heat control, and reduced spatter, especially in vertical or overhead positions. Setup has never been this quick and efficient, with 60 memory provisions for saving and recalling jobs, all managed through a 5-inch LCD display that's been optimized for easy navigation. The XF210 runs on single-phase power from a standard 15 amp outlet. And at just 17 kilograms, it's easy to transport around the workshop without sacrificing on performance. And for your total peace of mind, this unit is backed by CIGWELD's 3-year warranty. Go and get yours today at your nearest CIGWELD ESAB distributor.